Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Edutalks. Today we will do a simple shadowing practice. It's something you can use anytime to improve your speaking. You can try this when you are busy. You can try this when you have only a few minutes during the day. You can even try this while walking or relaxing before bed. Here is how it works. You listen and speak with me at the same time. You follow my voice. You repeat each line as naturally as you can. Do not worry about mistakes. Do not try to sound perfect. Just speak with me and enjoy the practice. Let's begin. Can I tell you something? Can I tell you something? Do you have a little time? Do you have a little time? I want to share a thought. I want to share a thought. I have a quick question for you. I have a quick question for you. I want to mention an idea. I want to mention an idea. It feels good to talk to new people. It feels good to talk to new people. I enjoy connecting with others. I enjoy connecting with others. I like hearing different stories. I like hearing different stories. Everyone has something valuable to say. Everyone has something valuable to say. I feel motivated today. I feel motivated today. I feel peaceful inside. I feel peaceful inside. I feel confident right now. I feel confident right now. I feel ready to start my day. I feel ready to start my day. Sometimes I feel a little tired. Sometimes I feel a little tired. Sometimes I feel a bit overwhelmed. Sometimes I feel a bit overwhelmed. Sometimes I feel unsure. Sometimes I feel unsure. But these feelings come and go. But these feelings come and go. It's normal to feel this way. It's normal to feel this way. Everyone experiences these moments. Everyone experiences these moments. When I feel tired, I take a break. When I feel tired, I take a break. When I feel stressed, I breathe slowly. When I feel stressed, I breathe slowly. When I feel worried, I pause for a moment. When I feel worried, I pause for a moment. When I feel lonely, I reach out to someone. When I feel lonely, I reach out to someone. Talking helps me understand myself. Talking helps me understand myself. I try to show kindness to myself. I try to show kindness to myself. I try to stay patient each day. I try to stay patient each day. I try to think calmly and clearly. I try to think calmly and clearly. I try to focus on what matters most. I try to focus on what matters most. Small progress is still progress. Small progress is still progress. Can you assist me with this? Can you assist me with this? I need a small favor. I need a small favor. I'm not sure how to continue. I'm not sure how to continue. Could you explain it again? Could you explain it again? Could you show me the steps? Could you show me the steps? I didn't understand that part clearly. I didn't understand that part clearly. Could you speak a little more clearly? Could you speak a little more clearly? Thank you for your support. Thank you for your support. I truly appreciate your help. I truly appreciate your help. You were very thoughtful. You were very thoughtful. Thanks for spending your time with me. Thanks for spending your time with me. I practice English every single day. I practice English every single day. I practice English every single day. I speak a little each morning. I'm improving step by step. I'm improving step by step. Learning a language takes effort. Learning a language takes effort. It requires patience. It requires patience. It requires practice. It requires practice. It requires repetition. It requires repetition. But I know I can improve. But I know I can improve. Shadowing helps me grow. Shadowing helps me grow. I speak along with the words. I speak along with the words. I follow the rhythm and sound. I follow the rhythm and sound. I become more confident each time. I become more confident each time. Every sentence teaches me something new. Every sentence teaches me something new. I feel my English becoming stronger. I feel my English becoming stronger. I feel my English becoming stronger. I feel my voice getting clearer. I feel more natural when speaking. I feel more natural when speaking. I enjoy learning this way. I enjoy learning this way. Shadowing keeps me active. Shadowing keeps me active. Shadowing keeps me focused. Shadowing keeps me focused. Shadowing keeps me improving. Shadowing keeps me improving. I am proud of my progress. I am proud of my progress. I will continue practicing. I will continue practicing. I will continue learning. I will continue learning. I will continue growing. I will continue growing. Can I ask for your opinion? Can I ask for your opinion? Do you have a second to listen? Do you have a second to listen? I want to share a small thought. I want to share a small thought. I have something on my mind. I have something on my mind. I want to talk about something simple. I want to talk about something simple. It's wonderful to meet friendly people. It's wonderful to meet friendly people. I enjoy speaking with others. I enjoy speaking with others. I like hearing different ideas. I like hearing different ideas. Everyone has a story worth hearing. Everyone has a story worth hearing. I feel happy today. I feel happy today. I feel relaxed and balanced. I feel relaxed and balanced. I feel hopeful right now. I feel hopeful right now. I feel prepared for what's ahead. I feel prepared for what's ahead. Sometimes I feel a little slow. Sometimes I feel a little slow. Sometimes I feel pressure. Sometimes I feel pressure. Sometimes I feel confused. Sometimes I feel confused. And it's completely normal. And it's completely normal. These emotions happen to everyone. These emotions happen to everyone. We all feel this way sometimes. We all feel this way sometimes. When I feel tired, I rest my body. When I feel tired, I rest my body. When I feel stressed, I breathe deeply. When I feel stressed, I breathe deeply. When I feel worried, I take my time. When I feel worried, I take my time. When I feel sad, I speak to someone I trust. When I feel sad, I speak to someone I trust. Talking makes my heart lighter. Talking makes my heart lighter. I try to treat myself gently. I try to treat myself gently. I try to stay calm. I try to stay calm. I try to keep a clear mind. I try to keep a clear mind. I try to focus on solutions. I try to focus on solutions. Every small action helps me grow. Every small action helps me grow. Can you guide me through this? Can you guide me through this? I need some guidance. I need some guidance. I'm not sure what step comes next. I'm not sure what step comes next. Could you describe it again? Could you describe it again? Could you show me the method? Could you show me the method? I didn't get that clearly. I didn't get that clearly. Could you speak a little slower? Could you speak a little slower? Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for supporting me. I appreciate your kindness. I appreciate your kindness. You were very helpful to me. You were very helpful to me. Thanks for being patient. Thanks for being patient. I am improving my English each day. I am improving my English each day. I practice speaking regularly. I practice speaking regularly. I am getting better little by little. I am getting better little by little. Learning a language takes time. Learning a language takes time. It takes focus. It takes focus. It takes discipline. It takes discipline. It takes daily practice. It takes daily practice. But I believe in myself. But I believe in myself. Every practice makes me stronger. Every practice makes me stronger. Shadowing helps me sound natural. Shadowing helps me sound natural. Shadowing trains my tongue. Shadowing trains my tongue. Shadowing builds my confidence. Shadowing builds my confidence. I feel better every time I practice. I feel better every time I practice. I feel my pronunciation improving. I feel my pronunciation improving. I feel more fluent already. I feel more fluent already. I enjoy every moment of learning. I enjoy every moment of learning. Shadowing challenges me. Shadowing challenges me. Shadowing motivates me. Shadowing motivates me. Shadowing strengthens me. Shadowing strengthens me. I'm proud of the effort I make. I'm proud of the effort I make. I will keep practicing with dedication. I will keep practicing with dedication. I will keep learning step by step. I will keep learning step by step. I will keep growing every day. I will keep growing every day. Okay, my friends, thank you so much for practicing with me today. You did a wonderful job. Shadowing is simple, but it can change your speaking completely. Come back tomorrow, practice again, improve again. I'm Roman, and this is Edutalks. Until next time, keep practicing, keep learning, and keep growing. Bye for now.